Good morning, class. Today we'll discuss about the poem Ramtam Tagore. It's written by T.S. Eliot. It's actually one of the poems from his most popular collection of poem. What is that? Old Possum's Book of Practical Cards. From where it has taken? One of the poems. One of the poems. One of the poems from the collection. From the collection. What is that? I'm writing the name, you see. Old Possums Books of Practical Cats. Books of Practical Cats. Practical Cats. So it's the collection of the poems from where this particular poem is taken, Ramtam Tagore. Now before starting the poem, I'm telling you some things that what are the main roles that Eliot describes of cats. For him, cats actually the animal cat. In the help of the cat, Elias actually wants to tell us about the human beings. Wants to tell us about the human beings, the stubbornness of human beings. The stubbornness of human beings. Why stubbornness, you said? Because if you see the toddler, if you see the child, one time he will or she will say that I need that one, I want to do that one, and in the meantime when you will provide that thing to that child or that toddler, second time he will say I don't need that one, I need something else. So he just cannot fix up his mind in a particular thing. So here, with the help of this cat, Ramtam Tagore, poet wants to give us that message that we human beings cannot be fixed with one thing. We are used to change our mind according to our needs. So here it will just tell us about that. Okay, let us see the poem how actually uh, takes the place or how it can be discussed. The first stanza, if you see, the Ramtam Tagore is a curious cat. It was given before only. If you offer him peahend, he would rather have grouse. If you put him in a house, he would much prefer a flat. If you put him in a flat, then he had rather have a house. If you set him on a mouse, then the only wants a rat. If you set him on a rat, then he would rather chase a mouse. Yes, the Ramtam Tagore is a curious cat, and there isn't any call for me to shout it, for he will do as he do, and there is no doing anything about it. The poet wants to say that yes, Ramtam Tagore is a curious cat. Why? Because whatever you will provide him, will do this different one. If you provide him something, he will want something else. If you provide him flat, he will want a house. If you want to give him mouse, he want to just chase a rat. So these are the different things poet wants to tell us in guise of a Ramtam Tagore. He wants to tell us that we people are like that also. We cannot be satisfied with one thing. If you got something, we need more. So here the first stanza he said like that, there is nothing to do with this. Even if what I will do doesn't matter to Ramtam Tagore, because what he wants to do, definitely he will do. In the second stanza, let's see what is there. The Ramtam Tagore is a terrible bore. When you let him in, then he wants to be out. He is always on the wrong side of every door. And as soon as he is at home, then he would like to get about. He likes to lie in the bureau drawer, but he makes such a fuss if he can't get out. Yes, the Ramtam Tagore is a curious cat, and there isn't any use for you to doubt it, for he will do as he do, and there is no doing anything about it. The last stanza, if you see of it, the last sentence says every stanza will get it as repeated one. Clear? Repetition. Now, here he said that it's a terrible cat. Why? Because if you allow him to do something, he will do something else which is don't want to do. If you set him inside the room, he want to go outside. Even he landed up in every door in a wrong side. If you see him that he wants to lie on the bureaus, means the chest drawers, and in the meantime he wants to just get out from that place, and if he can't get out, he'll just make fuss there. Clear? So you can't do anything with this cat, because what he wants to do, definitely he will do that one only. Okay. Third stanza, what is there? The Ramtam Tugger is a curious beast. Here it is used, the beast. Okay. His dissolving's ways are a matter of habit. If you offer him fish, then he always wants a feast. When there isn't any fish, then he won't eat rabbit. If you offer him cream, then he snips and sneers, for the only likes what he finds for himself. So you will catch him in it right up to the ears if you put it away on the ladder shelf. The Ramtum Tugger is artful and knowing. The Ramtum Tugger doesn't care for a cuddle, for he will leap on your lap in the middle of your swimmings, for there is nothing he enjoys like a horrible muddle. Yes, the Ramtum Tugger is a curious cat, and there isn't any need for me to spout it, for he will do as he do, and there is no doing anything about it. So he just want to say that if you set him in, he wants to go outside. If he want to lie on the bureaus, he want to make fuss to get out from that place. Similarly, if you offer him fish, he don't want to eat that one. Rather, he want a rabbit. Again, if you see that if you offer him cream, then he will sniff and he will sneers. He only likes what he finds for himself. By his own, whatever he will find, that only he will like. Otherwise, whatever you will provide him, he don't want to just like or eat it. Similarly, he said that if you want to catch his ears, if you put it away on the ladder shelf, wherever he wants to, like a small room where people used to keep or store their things, isn't food and all, if he will just enter there by his own. And he's artful and knowing, he's very clever, he can deceive the people very nicely, he's very artful. And knowing means is slightly aware of all the things what can happen, but similarly on the other way he'll just make mess with that. The Ramtum Tugger doesn't care for a cuddle, doesn't matter if you cuddle for him and all, but in the middle of your swimming time he'll just enter there, and there is nothing he enjoys like a horrible muddle. All of your thing by the picture you can see that all is muddled here. Yes, he is a curious cat, and you cannot, there is no need for you to spout it. Okay, no need, because he wants to do whatever he will do. Okay, so this is only the poem. It's a part of the collection of poem old person's books of practical cats. From there it has taken Ramtum Tugger. This character in a cat is a curious cat. It tell us about our necessities, tell us about our what you call characteristics in the form of a cat, that what we are focusing on, how we can do all these things. Okay, so this is only the poem. Your work, just read the poems properly, each stanza, learn the meanings properly. Clear? Learn the meanings properly. The next class, question answer, it's not so difficult. Okay, only the part is a reference with the context that we will discuss, and question answers by your own you can do. Okay, so just read the text first properly. Definitely you will come to understand, because it's a very easy way it has written. The key word I have given what the poet wants to tell about this poem. Okay, so just revise this poem. Till then, thank you class.